Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about expanding binomials. Expanding binomials is two terms. So let's recall from grade 9. So in grade 9, you had an expression like 2 bracket 3 minus x. And so what do you do with this expression? You have to distribute. So you have to use distributive property. So all I would do is 2 times 3 and then 2 minus x. So what I like to do is when I'm making my arrows, I just like to write down the numbers right then. So 2 times 3 gives me 6. 2 times minus x gives me minus 2x. Now, in grade 10, we have two terms. So I have something like x plus 3 and x plus 2. Now I'm going to show you using algebra tiles, then we'll do it without algebra tiles. So I just want to introduce you what the algebra tiles look like. So this is the 1, 1 tile. This is the x tile. And this is the x squared tile. So I have x plus 3. So I'm going to make those tiles at the top. So I need to use one of this x and then 3 of the 1, 1 tiles. And then I'm going to use x plus 2 and put that on the side over here. So 1x and then 2 of the 1, 1 tiles. Now what I need to see is what fits within this box. So what I would do is do x times x. That gives me x squared. So I'm going to draw the x squared tile. Then I do 1 times 1, which gives me 1x. Same thing over here, so I would draw 3 of these because 1 times 1 would give me an x tile. Then, same thing over here. So then 1 times 1, an x tile, and another x tile here. Then, I know an x squared tile wouldn't fit here, and it doesn't make sense if I use the x and x tiles. So I have to use the 1, 1 tiles, 6 of those. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in the end, I would get, I have 1x squared tile, so x squared plus 5x, because I have 5 of the x tiles, and then plus 6. That's what I would get. Now I'm going to do the same two terms, but without using algebra tiles. So let's do that over here. X plus 3 and x plus 2. Now I want to do this without using algebra tiles. And so like how I said, when we recall from grade 9, we're using distributive property. This is only one coefficient, but now these are like two terms. So I just need to expand within these brackets. So I would do x times x, x times 2. So then you would do 3 times x, which gives you 3x, and then 3 times 2, which gives you 6. Then we have to go further on. We can't just leave it like that. So I'll write down x squared, and 2x and 3x are common. So they're like terms. So I would do 2 plus 3, which gives me 5x plus 6. So I end up with the same thing. Same with algebra tiles and without algebra tiles. Let's just do one more example. So I have x minus 2 and x plus 1. Same thing, distribute, so expand. x times x times 1, negative 2 times x, negative 2 times 1. You get x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. Therefore, we have to collect like terms. X squared minus x minus 2. And that's all for expanding binomials. Hope that helped.